Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lamoille County in northwest Vermont, Orleans County in northeast Vermont, northwestern Washington County in central Vermont, east central Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, southeastern Franklin County in northwest Vermont until 4:45 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Under Hill, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Waterville, Jeffersonville, Johnson, Eden, Albany, Montgomery Center, Lowell, Westfield, Coventry, Jay. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for northern New York and Vermont.